Simple Simon says, understanding, simple as Simon in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, simple as Simon. It's a quirky and interesting expression that you might come across in English conversations. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily English. Stay tuned. Simple as Simon is an expression used to describe something very easy or straightforward. When we say something is as simple as Simon, we mean that it requires very little effort or thought. It's similar to other expressions like as easy as pie or a piece of cake. The phrase, simple as Simon, is believed to have originated from the nursery rhyme, Simple Simon. This rhyme tells the story of a character named Simon, who is portrayed as naive and childlike. Over time, the phrase began to be used in everyday language to describe things that are uncomplicated or easy to understand. Let's look at some examples. 1. Making a cup of tea is as simple as Simon. Here, it means making tea is very straightforward. 2. Don't worry about setting up the app. It's simple as Simon. This implies that the setup process is easy to follow. It's important not to confuse simple as Simon with simplicity and intelligence. The phrase strictly refers to the ease of a task or process, not a person's intellectual capacity. In English, there are many ways to express the simplicity of something. For instance, as easy as ABC or like shooting fish in a barrel are similar expressions. It's great to know these variations for richer and more varied English communication. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, simple as Simon. We hope you found it enlightening and fun to learn. Remember, English is full of such interesting expressions, and mastering them can really add flavor to your conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and we hope to see you again on our channel.